This video has low resolution voice recording, but the background audio is so loud you cannot even hear my voice. Just just be with me. Okay? Thank you. Enjoy the video. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and this is episode 4 of the videos. And oh my, what's happening? And we're gonna play Roblox. We're gonna play Roblox, and then we're gonna play the game on Roblox, Bulldogs. I mean Christmas Obby. I don't wanna get copyrighted by YouTube. We're just gonna play the Christmas Obby. Oh my god, the audio again. I can't play in peace with my voice over just regular. And why? I hope this isn't copyright music. Oh man. I just wanna pass along. I just wanna pass. Some girl tried to pass by the red, and the red killed her. Not in real life, in the game. Let me invite my friend with me. Nice. I'm already at stage 12 and she's at stage 1. When she enters this game, what is that? She will like, I don't know how to say this, but yes, never mind. I'm too lazy to think how to say the word that I was thinking. Oh my god, the blocks are disappearing like I'm painting my girlfriend. Wait a minute. Okay. She didn't join me. I don't know if she will. I wanna add friendly name is Boxy6167. Oh my god! The ice killed me, I don't know why. Yet again, the ice killed me. It's supposed to be called not lethal. So and I just checked if that was disappearing as well. In fact did. I know how to get across this without doing the camera thing. Huh? Every time I click escape or click the Roblox icon, the game will suggest me to go to another game. So I'm trying playing this game. Oh my god. When I was over there, I saw the girl was standing here to wait for that platform. And now I'm here. Look at the progress I made. That wasn't supposed to kill me. It indeed did. Indeed did. What? What am I saying? I don't know. My words coming out of my mouth isn't making sense. That's why I don't talk often when I'm concentrated in this game, because when I talk when I'm concentrated, the words that are coming out of my mouth doesn't make sense. In my state of concentration, my mind oh wait, that killed me. In my state of concentrated, when I'm what? Look at that. I'm trying to talk to you guys, but I cannot talk great. I cannot talk normally because I'm trying to understand what am I saying, so you can understand what I am saying. But when I talk, when I'm talking, my word, yes. When I look, I cannot talk normally. I will just not talk for the rest of the video. I am starting when I talk English. Wait. When I talk in English, I sometimes forget what the terms in English. I almost forget. I sometimes forget the terms that are used in American English because I'm from the country of Philippines, so I don't know what phrases or what words they're using in their country. But I know 6, 7. It's almost New Year and the Great Meme Reset is almost here. And I hope that will happen, because if that doesn't happen, 2026 will be cooked. Will be doomed. Will be yes. If I had the option to mute the music, I would mute the music. I never reached this part. This only 100 stages of this season. I will end this video. If I reach stage 100 and I'm not at the finish yet, I will end this video right away. I will not make a part 2. I will not make anything. I will just end this video and never do a continuation of this video. I will make a deal breakers. When this game isn't only 100 stages, I will end the video. So the blue is ice, or I will say laser. Blue laser that looks like ice. That is what I will call it now. Ice. Lethal ice. Deadly ice. I am a 10-year-old who is playing Roblox, and I should not say what the hell am I saying? I should stop saying those words because it's not appropriate for a 10-year-old to say like deadly, or it's not appropriate for a 10-year-old to say lethal, because a 10-year-old shouldn't know that yet. I don't know if they should know that or not. I don't follow the age. Yes. If YouTube will take this video down, I don't care. I will just make another video without saying that my age is 10. Look at Calvin. He's 9. When he started his channel, he was only 4. Why do I keep dying by the ice laser? mind. I wish. Oh my god. If I die one more time, I will seriously end this video. I will not keep my promise that. Oh thank god. Oh wait, is this? Oh, let's go. We're at the end. Oh my god. We can go back to the beginning now. We're going back to the beginning. What the hell am I doing? Oh my god. Am I doing a staircase? I'm making a masterpiece. Never mind. Yo, what the hell? I guess I died. Oh my god, thank you. Thank you Lord, I didn't die. We're at the beginning. But we will go back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. 3 avatar items. I don't want that. I don't want that. Okay guys, that's wait lang. Wait a minute. Okay guys, that's all for now. See you next time. Wait guys, before the video ends, I actually didn't knew that the game was only 60 levels. I complained if the game was more than 100, I will end the video. But I actually didn't know that the game was only 60 layers. 60 layers, 60 levels. Why this is what I look like. Yes. If you see the apology video, my phone got wet, so I just screen record on my laptop and I just voice record. And anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.